Hello everyone. Imagine having the power to transform your Excel data globally, effortlessly. In this journey through the substitute function with Instance Num, we are about to unveil how you can pinpoint and replace specific instances within your data. So if we wanted to change the second slash in this date of birth and put a dash, we just come and type the substitute syntax like that, then click on the cell that you want to substitute, put a comma, then put a quotation mark. We want to change the slash, then put a comma again, put another quotation mark, put a dash and then a comma. Then Instance Num, it is used to specify that you want to change which slash. Here we have two slashes. So assume we wanted to change the second one. You come and type 2 and close the parenthesis and click enter. When we say globally, we mean a whole lot of sentences. So after typing the formula the way we have typed here, you just come, click on the cell which has the formula and just drag. It has changed the other dates also. So that's how you can do it in an instance. If we wanted to change this S and we want to replace it with a T, you just come, type substitute, click on the cell that you want to change, put a comma, put a quotation mark since it is a string. If it was a number, then no need for the quotation mark. Put an S, a comma, quotation mark, put a T, and close the parenthesis and just hit enter. As you can see, our sweets has been changed to tweets. Thank you for being a part of our incredible community. Your support means the world to us. Keep watching, keep sharing, and stay tuned for more exciting content. We couldn't do it without you. Until next time, take care and God bless.